Okay, let's go there. Irene, I got theater when you please go to my YouTube channel because I will leave this Facebook now. So, me worry nene yaminare. As a kagbe, as Vasabi, Coretta must be the worst. Yes, so as if you're like, why worry? Me renenya. What do I done yo? Oh, Coco Bioko. Oh, what sets? Vozeni mena yo. Erioni me begeo. Ozeni mena yo. Hija. Oh, Izia. No one be family meje. A large family with a large heart. We are the heart of Edo State. Where my hair. We are rejoice. We are the large. We are the heartbeat of Edo State. Where my when any. Then she go for. When any. Because my nervous was too much. When any. We don't have to back gear. Men on any. Oh, no. Who does that? Go. We are taking Gladys Gume. Ogun be, ogun ba, ogun. That is ogun izite. Ogun na gimi uta bona ya fefe. Odogun na ho we dogu Gladys. Oh mamwe, when I have few no gear. Comrades, when I comrade her. A family way from A to Z, from head to toe. That I will comrade in a day. Family way. That I will in any day. Everywhere no lady we were no kekewu. Ye get the woo. Ye ever when a comrade filo ya mashoto. Also not be better. Oh when I mash ya boom with them. Where Udowu, we are telling the Kagule, or go on better. Every no we are telling the Kagule. Ejene lolo, ugune. Where? Make I say, who to what they do? Who could do something you to talk with boy? And if you are Western social media, when you might as well, little, you might as well logo. If me, I love when me, each me, so what day. Lareo, first, my viewers, good afternoon, everybody. I want to say big thanks to you guys, to you all. I've gotten so much messages from everybody, and I'll be trying to be calm. That is regarding to this situation at hand. But I see it as a challenge. I don't know if you understand. I see it as a challenge to me. I see it as a slap in my eyes. But I'm going to give it back in the manner that when they receive the hot slap, they will not believe it that it's me that giving it the slap. Me, no when I saw Stafilo comrade to go with me. They go I think you oh with daughter. I want to go with me go you go. Oh when the money but son well now the first message in we work about discuss what hey. First message in the comrade Philo said you who we can't pay. When man pay oh no when I saw he get money car or rubbish away. Lareo Monica will not rubbish agboya. Maybe you are going to be YouTube. Maybe you are going to buy a lot of so now where Monica Managi Larania don't finish near somewhere. You go or Sevaku or Kumanagi Ba. That way, you get that way, Brabokba, or my Brabokba. Was a lot of money you notice Monica, not knock your game, you get about the use of Zema. Lolo, I dare go on better be sure. Or your name, I got Bioji, Menoji Master. A bomb everywhere. I'm in a big care on a woo. What's a Wally me? Oh my gosh. Hell, Mutano. Am I going to Wally stream me? Am I going to Gualome? Hey, Menahi. Meru Bia. Oh, Mutano. Menahi, if you know. A banje. Spirits. We are the Wuyas and the Bia. Mena. No lads with my clear face. Oh, I'm a where you look better. Where you are where I'm not going to walk on yaga. Oh, me a quarrel no yagwe. My beggar in a big one, or was over when they said ye pa, where they would be. That's so when they read thee, be prepared. Yes, so be prepared. And then, Nekabaka, no boy, Gladys, no man, Larry, Gladys, Larry. Ye generate wedge. When you go on level, yeah, what be story where he did. It was me, Torino. The graduate wedding, that way, me. More if you motos, call it Torino. A Pinello wedge, where call it Torino people. Who were the one of your motos, let them tell you my story. Many bad record, go ask. Ine bad record. Mama no workers wo kede da na mama bad record batala dia we ivio no na o gwagu guys me no guys me no rugu ba wo ivie gwagwalo ija no le agwalo me ma le see me ge me na ho ivie ma ka ye rokpa iye didi one man squad he mo pa city ro waya e our president kede da wa I will work like this no bell. I will work when I am married. Result the qua. Everybody when married result the qua. No. When no more when as you must traffic. Where do I go? Many record they clean. Go ask. And record the talk clean. I did better. I negotiate. Any record the clean. Say everybody clean. Go ask. Where the name of the computer work when you come where ha again I click be and they got bana zo ile so ni e carry tesori na ne ona ya ha mo bale gbe wi me ile manage e me do wa be bega mo go ask wa gbe where what about o na ga mo na ne we bo ha mi ne bo aseti u ne seti equal right you equal right as a black person we are one of me we bo equal right we bo me equal rights any boy sitting there we have sitting there coin e boy the motor code there coin or the wakun there coin or the one gbokun there coin that is why he build the life in webo anybody when people have been imposing me one we know he denia will tell he listen to a family man my family have been calling me you know where I will go respect the family because near the feel where he only 1 year but I made it to understand where Maggie or me 18 years. Now I don't lunya. Don't feel your wound where when I lunya your woman where I learn no me 9. Egbo, why did the book now wajenania all set? Yeah, where wait when any we don't book ya away no being a be unye hoy. No work benania. Seti hoy because of ben where that is what I know many of Sabas kanina yaha, woman na yaha. My beg, you don't explain a video near what go viral because I'm not interested. One, he can be better Gladys day because every Gladys in my way here what the boy tell again. He might be better. He might what you beat tell me. He has zonzo. Why no lekia or go to Peruka? And lekia when the family enemy. Where do you give me no your who does that? Where as human trafficker. He then where a matter where Tiago said to Yaban and up and every day morning, night, evening, me what the holiday winning me. Yes, so a rebel where I the holiday and the crack. Now when I'm about the other way, the Jamun 24 hours around the clock, even get better woman, more basset doing where. We're not a young African lady, not a 40 year way. Or 20 years ago, it didn't way. A matter where, yeah, what posse, oh, you are not so. No man be care, young work on a beggar money and did not let you one of your way fashion any near assisting ye young one or in the beggar. What bell? He may dog of a beggar go ask. He may dog of a beggar where you know. Oh, what make I jay where you know you may day. Kid day. He might rent. I may near who calling on that name book. What our video? A calling never were there. Oh, when I have where Robert Webo. Oh, a berry result the quack with me. Ebon bi amwadiku wa ga siku e ma mu se gbera o te result kwa abi ado ebo we ga do tori no ogun gbegbe abisa go gbera o mu gbegbe e bata ne komre filo no filo kwa mi ana we ma va e this is comrade Philo Eriyo. Do you know the name? He rings a bell. It's an echo. We might not hear comrade Yaka. Comrade Philo Eriyo. Ogondo Beruwe. Il denu family of me. Il denu abioji mas abiomene. Eja me no wa jina na weti of jina. Me mas family way. From Genesis to Revelation, from the beginning to the end, mas family way. Everybody is on the kwa. Awariku. Ebo ja. Etorino ta bagbo. Ebu we ta bai. Agba buwet. This is mubel. Ebu we ta bai. Ebu we mu. Ebo niki. Ebo ni ma hege mun we biega eyonya. Udu we bi na bu topic la jaro. No ga hawe. No wo ke no wo ke mi ati yi. No wo ke de ru ni ju wala la dia. No ya we block test. We block test jo we. because I have when you're young, we're biele. I don't know what do I mean? I'm picking it now. What bell or one better? It's a dog, but a go back better. Oh, goodness, the dog better be sure. A family son who look at son on me. Oh, I'm away. We were quite in any. I say, Matthew, where I didn't know baby. He did only. He did the man because oh, my bona, eh? Man is having one me. Ija, I'm already by now. It dagbo me wajina. I am in dagbo. I am in dagbo. I me wajina. Me man lay it guy. To start with one. Melissa, I will not reply to you. Let me use this word. I will not reply you. Do you know why? Because after you have matured all the echoes in the consequence, in the UK consequence, where few no ginya yane, that no even we here to do. That's why my few no ginya me any worry because why? Many galats mama, many you people see me as a threat to you guys. All you want and I will remain so. A threat in your life. No, when you don't I'm a threat to your life. Now you know where I'm coming from. Now you can identify it where a family member be prepared. When I work lawyer working. If of a truth, where I work lawyer, I work in any. You should know the consequences. You should know the gravity of what you are doing. Bully people, cyber bully. That is maybe we went to work then because I know why work about or where and a crushes or one low that way or where that for lawyer and for you guys that are what the woman are making was or my back. Who is that? Please, nobody should call me. No call, please. I don't want to pick any call from now. There is no call. No call. No, I will never read comments because if you want more that bacon or I'm aware. Instagok yak bera a family me. Then then after you have measured all this caliber, tiba and caterpillar, many gallant mama when my measure any madam is on my banya. Ija. When I only made you a where when Melissa or whatever you claim you be, whatever you say you are, come out. Don't face in a woman to woman. You come and face me. Oh, Bobo, me oh, Bobo. See you. This is not maybe I'm on your boy. Go and do this. No, why should I do that? I will not let her. You let her because you're to me. Okay. Or my neck here on the crushes. When on the crushes, but the answer what 9. He answer on the crushes, my dear. Yes, I want to do baby. So if you want to deal with me, if you want to really talk about me, if you know that all you have been saying is true, my dear, before I can challenge you, I can't rate you any. I'm going to rate you to really see if you are equal to the task. If you are my words to, if you are that person I can waste my precious time for. For now, I'm sorry. Baby, read my list. Umio or tin with lads and yes, woman to woman. I don't want to go away, baby now. I want to go away, baby. Tia woo. Oh, well, I want to go as Libya. I don't appear in London. Melissa is in London. Melissa is not in Netherlands. So I'm sorry. So I will not answer to you. You answer where I tap my way, many VA. You will answer because I'm a gallant mama. You correct me. May I answer on no woman or baby? Why should I do that? Why should I do that? If you want me to answer you, as I have said, as I have earlier said, I said, I will weigh you. I will see your qualification. I will belittle you. Yeah, belittle you to rubbish. I will so rubbish you. You are a bunch of dustbin. Yeah, I'm not yellow. How do I baby? And where if you look, we are sitting here. We are me and Mujamene. More banana duma. We got to take face in me. Life to life. I swear and I bet my life for it. I swear and I bet my life for it. Let's do it. Let's call it a game chance. Let's call it a game chance. See, I laid down. I say I bet my life for it. I bet my life for it. Melissa, if you are a woman enough that you say you are, if I don't pay with my life, call me a bastard. You just come out of your idol. Your idol can go with one legend. Where yalla jerivani. You just come out there first. Then you can come out. Where bring me a day? Where do have me where Ivie, Irene? Who are the princess? Ivie, Rio. Who are come up with my girl? Forget to let it be physical. Physical fighting. I'm here. Eba me where it do go on or go. No. Anything where we are wait. Ya koke. Gewa bun ya no ta upa. So that on that day, on that faithful day, where's it? How Renumata. And I'm coming to that message. I'm coming to that. When deal with a kakabo. No so where the kakabo. Why you tell on the why did that is is a belolo. He guys a big. He is a nyaga. There's a nyahu. Mubeni. Who see I want to book Basia. Is a low. Is a new. Okay, when the machine more partner and one mascot. What? Bunch of dustbin. What is the law? When I'm setting the motor, when I'm remote the buffy for when I have a motor with dustbin. When I do I drive a car. When my baby motor in Nigeria. I didn't see my driving in Nigeria. You my baby motor the kind of cars I'm dealing with. You don't see it? Oh, that means you are a learner. You are a learner. Oh, we learn. Yes, so you are a learner. What we learn? You are a learner. Yes. Where the motor? He's ex-prostitute. Where do I go me go? Where do I give man? Where do I go me hell na? Where mudia? Information I need and where viola diani. Oh, no time where. Oh, who where need lolo? If me I hogbo, yeah, if you sasariva, that is a bebo is a lodi or is a lord. He is lodi. Me is a lodi. Oh yeah. Oh, we are being my. I don't know. Me I come going me Monica. Monica na wango. Oh, me Monica. Mo ivie. Mo princess. Me na ivie ni vie. Mo ivie. Go and ask my question. Me ata bo where na koso wata we rugby. What we are. I'm a mother of 2 kids. You are a mad woman. I'm a mother of 2 kids. Where I'm a married. That one married me. I'm here to go. I'm not a kill. Not that for a Jericho or whatever door. Where they Hollands, where some say Kiavan, adulterer woman. My baby, what's my way? Once you quit social media, I'll go see it. We are away in London. We are one of London. Walk by a carry London. Immediately, so we are here. I be going to go in London trip. My was it by the guy? My was it by the guy? Oh no. Then why say here? When you people see me as a threat, I'm so important. You people see me as an important person. Oh, if you, what bule? I say bule la. What woman? No go bed rugby joy. Only went from red light to red light. I thought I be going away. Women were more drug say, woman, they moment drug even when a posh canya, latest me at this latest cars. Me na fun. A duplex me ya so sha. What do you do? I'm not like you now, Lolo. I'm not like you. I will not stoop too low. That's what that is social medias. Viewers are commenters. So they the money the button. If you never baby my beg, so who are if you know one girl when they face me, he loves you. I maybe me a go first tack in a boa 21 road, they want close eventually. You come. Huh? What we go? Let me male. Ile. Evan Wameji. We are the way to get my son of Hobo. We are the. Go and see it. Nekwenamuwa. We are the way to get my son in Menoku. No, your hand, of your hands, small as I am. I can boast of 4 buildings. In everybody, in every door, in every car. I can boast of 4 buildings. In no furnished home. Built by myself. Many gallant women matter so in me. And they tell you, no go back. It will never buy. When no ya di moto we ma di moto nia o so moto nia vie does be oh we na ya vie when ya mock bad and na re drive na re plate place me anti your plate number una fie na jalopy moto na down na me you are very stupid mu gwe ni women say we me guys say pin we Mega is a low way. Mega is a doom way now. Doom him now. Doom way vodo. For trespasses. He not doom way vodo. He guys a doom way. Odo don't say where I be you are. O bewa. O gon bera. O where no ina go sunk. O someone forum passage as ijo galatuma. When we have someone now, oh, you no ma. Go and ask question about my mother when not teaching my names. If you have a name, if you have a reputation, if you have a name to protect, you will never talk about other people's mothers and fathers. But what to what them the butter? What they ask what they nyagawa? What not your what not let you legend? What not back here? That is the truth. I'm hard for you guys. It may worry like them. Me, many of you men know what? Our bunch of those men. You see me guys see me as a threat. A threat may work in one. Hey yo, everyone know what like anybody know here what me? Always persevere you. And anybody know here what you for? Always persevere you. Anybody know na ilala here be? Ave oimiebo. Yeah, what like persevere you. You want to make me popular? I'm already popular superstar. Please, you people should help me population. We are popular only back up popular. We are popular Hija. Any message persevere you. Persevere. Hija. Everyone menega. Oh gosh. Yes, menega bubble. Menega boyfriend. You don't got boyfriend. Me wa me mudie we o ma me so ni me na wa gbe whatever we doing now. The battle line has just begun. The battle line is run. Everyone was losing any. Now, if your bio gabu WhatsApp for make it a topic for you, and it's already a topic for you. But I will not answer to you because I have a many work with him. Woman there, we're going to reje. So what will I be disturbing myself about it? Why? No. But my well lolo. You don't know step by step every day here belwa. Where kakabo. You don't know there kakabo. Where no talk about. And when I want you about trafficking, we got guakai. No whether when Monica say Monica or Bueg, Nyanga, Monica Bugwa is a oh, is a nyaka. Monsieur Boyogania. Monsieur the Gugua. Monsieur Bugi, I dinner where Gladys Monica Macbose. And when I wouldn't you much traffic, Vetorino will know your ban of good berak bijou of your men. No good boy, no bell, no fiabu. Gay, and I be joueni, no nepi, benake wuni, Idenia. Ya nyaga. Ya do best story way. I can do it to Rino. It's anyway. Every keep your can go out to Rino to women. My be women. Moga if you motos to Rino, where you were in Petarolo. When I have my house in Bergamo, I drive every day from Bergamo to Torino to do my business. So go boy. To Bella, Abisa got better bijou. Isagon, room, Dorino, oh, and Nagara Nagijou. Each one I hear you, when you want to be papa, see, will go boy. To Bella. Ija anyway me Gladys he didn't way ogun boy ebon where you go there no where you go you get you much traffic amori go no ya mare when e emu oh where okay oh where right off you know ajawu anu hewa eya etori no we tro time we ma better le nu go we atuta body odo emi ya to gbanu oh we go emi ya ni le we mo but ya lenu a emi ya le tori no ti ya bi egbe no we ke le repeat ro lo a because we were not how ever on we make bewa. Message arriva negro we make me gare Torino. We make me gareba. I got what no defiant one, no me. Ni a sheni e fomba. E family me. I got na we rematch trafficking and na guard no na lesson mo e. We go we see me mobo, we see me mobo. All we you we see we have your there. Oh, you have your there out no way. What can result the qua. Result the qua. I want to talk. Why they Gladys ya won option. Every Gladys I want to tell you now. When ikunya jena, when it no ikunya kuwa. I want the our na. Ate, ma reason na akora rivato. Reason na akora rivato reason. Gladys, a che ora arriva Torizo? Quando arriva Torizo? Ieri non ti quindi bene amoreba. Aspetta, arrivo. Oh, tamoni. Anyway, se metto a io chiede, oh sì. Non è ancora arrivato non si può restare così. Io voglio mangiare riso. Guarda, riso di qua, riso di qua, riso di qua, riso di qua, riso di qua. Agboya jaji weku. Ogun bue, wa gbe o, e we ke wo ta ibi apagbe wo osoko. We dey Gladys, we are the good man, ne gallant. Money gallant for. Ima gallant. We so dry. Every your family gallant. Why na gallant ka? We ke yawo. Entire generation will go. I say, oh, where I know about the family in one go you back. Where can I go when we are go on? Oh, what where my way when we are go on. Almighty comrade. Joe. I say I bet my life for it. He may lads here. I'm telling you. Oh, mama. No whether they are you back any ye would never be me. Where wouldn't it? Me azazo, me at this bang where there's a go. When I keep a winner. Oh, I don't know if you're here. We have a book when you wake. I would DNA test if you're giving money. Ijo, oh gosh. Where may be? Where be? Where may be? That is where may be. Oh, we got a pompeco. Oh, wait. Ego. Where Torino ni? Where Torino ni? Where I meet your palagadi when you're near. A meeting necessary just can't sit in no war. No go there. Okay, me too, no go again. When I get to Torino again, no go. This I got better. When I get to Torino again, me, I make ends meet. Yes, so make when I Jay. Oh, where dogu? Where? Oh, what is that? I have a musene. Wa bi aga ekene bona we dey Fijiku ijini wa wo ekene bona we dey Fijiku ijini obe wa bota fe Gladys na wa mi o wa dey Fijiku o dey fi wa ekponi na bi yin wana o wa dey ejo ai wa mu se na wa se ladia gba wa se tetebo Gladys take ba egani meeting ne wa se meeting oh my gosh. Nini silver, nini club. Oh, you only Vara Bunya Vegani. Only American. Sorry to use your name, my jolly. Well, you Vara Bunya Vegani, Madi Jere, a name meeting because a meeting. Oh, we are worried cool because a meeting of garden. Yeah, worried cool. I couldn't for the meeting because she was a dirty. In where I know a meeting, all I joke at the Ayawa. Ultimate. Watch out what is from the no good black bishop. I bioji basovene. It's anyway. Every day he had boy. He money boy ya fuvena. Yave gwene, yave bonne baby la. Yave baby la. Yave baby la. At least a decade woman yalla na se back. So go wa ga kere. Either ya pump. When we ya some. Either ya pump. Yave pump ne use energy. We be do viole no part 2, part 3, part 4. We no gion ba. We no tu one what you back gbomo wa. Every way ya gbomo wa ni mesi to gbogbo ba ya. Every one na joke ma traffic wo na me go ya wo. I was away from the show no. You go no marry enu there. There na be one ogu. Oh can go you look fi ko bona je ya nye snake everywhere. Everybody is on the kwa. Eh boy, what was that boy? Amu yo take otaga. Iya ba bi amu ma de. Padeyan de quoi? Padeyan de quoi? Ijo. Padeyan de quoi? Ijo. Padeyan de quoi? Ale berizo de quoi? We ere lo enu we amu. Ere lo e. E nari lo. Egbe bo we oni na ko to wa mu ni meti ai. Ye gba bi ubiri gba gbe ye o. Oi. O gba mi aseti de turu mani palo. Ah. Oh, we not do less social media. We are good one. I want to go to the where one may have big investment. I'll tell you when I'm your team anyway. I go year go. I'll tell you, young. Well, no, tell you in the door. Oh, go on, better wear. Oh, go on, Bishu, where I got Bishu better. Oh, the other name, everywhere is one of them. eri vi la gbe e we iga we gbe han nu we sa go kan valo e kodu ge igwa di àwọn loku yo boge o hun gwe ma de na me ya mo ni me am loku gbugbe ogun isango ihan mo ya gbera mi juwe when I yo when no we are when me body odo Agi gbawe kakabo wa gbe o e Gladys no me ma di gun yan po we o do gu o we do ya gbe ya mio ye se mio o le social media re what the man deba we ri de ban ya o na ya fie ni e wo ri o we gi so ni e ma ni o ta hele si no ya so ni e omo age ni no we ya so ni e si na no e hele we mama we don ye your name o mama you too much mama we hear you e we ya do so ye ni ya e ya sewe e ya e bata o we kekan ni ya ra moto that e bata me bata betu slippers ni ya ko we mother e we make ya kwere make do kuwe go o bi aka we me na do we me we obi ana go wa we ewu we bo me aka boast if I want to go boast me back and a new ya boast yes so why who are going to just say then we are not pay ya in one of your social media why because as a woman as a gallant woman have achieved 20 years in abroad ubi agbe wa helolo ade why ya tie gume no le kia I will not do this I will not suck I will not name go if you don't have one training go and get one if you don't have name training go and get one go and invest go and get aga ye way me you might get to go ma kaye ropa me we ma kaye ropa ge kaka yoy we ogugwe taya kyun here oh guys opeki epeki na boyo gbo wa agbe ya sile bayi la layo wa o iri ebo we no yin ebo we do agbe me we do agi un gi me na ata we do ayi direct gu me no e da won o we wo magi we na wo na gi no ro baby we na gi manisa la dia we wo magi gbe na do mu gbo ija ogbo gi ngwe ya ti na je na ma wo gbo ya via odagbe ni mami e via odagbe la dia se woman se grand woman no we ida boski the liquid metal well la do we do meti me o pe me ko no meti me mami la dia no do meti me you want to gather more information about me it's of no use you know why do you know why do you care to know why do you care to know why it's of no use it serves nothing nya social media why ma wa dia wa na gbe ma se gbe e ma super oh o delete wa yakwa agboya o pa leke oye guys e mi so ye to bi o wipe wa ye do yo wipe yakwa awo e ma hugwa o he mu gwe we no the result the kwa we na do agbo me go mu izere me ma the wa so ba na ye result the kwa ha wa gui I for explain me I told na what they call result the kwa na Gladys Okakabo na Oyibo we go marry ijo see what I do the Oyibo we Gladys marry Gladys kakabo where did Italy where is it the foundation Jacques Bojemi Hungry or an egg when bio or amugwe or hamamugwe isago agbera bi ju egbe o isago na mu ijigba mi sago na gberuwe bi ju we na ogwe ayi majigwe awo ko sago na wo kede oga igbiyan na odo nya gbogbo Italy so no vance yawo enu bo ma gbe won wa he nu we gbe na ni o eseti o that means wa mi nu ya o iwe ti mi afesu we ya afesu we so for those of you that don't know the meaning of result the kwa is bring rice here bring rice for me bring rice here rice for here any party where Gladys and the husband go you go see her the Oyibo go say bring rice so you go dey ask his wife say when they want to bring food they never bring food sis Gladys go declare say hold on they go so bring food go declare say hold on they go so bring food hold on they go so bring food hold on you no go gree Why? He's an hungry man. Oh, he bewa. Oh, he bewa. Ebohani. Ebohani. Ijirani. Ebohani. Yajau. Ebony miavi afie na. Ogun gbeboni o. Ogun wa gbeboni o. Me do ale le afie nebo. Ogun gbeboni. Everybody's case kiri ogun gbene. Me even though my here, you were born a bodo or a warrior. Yeah, I have no more okay, bunkering my mea. For what? Or a way? Who does that? But reverse was the case in Gladys' own. Kakabo, Gladys Amadi, or Gohian Berak Bijou, Sagohian Berak Bijou. I like young, or you put a baby work your mother. So extended, no, I stand there, get away. Or I'm away. Never go one. Never go one. Ah, why can't you go Gladys work? I have one now. Ni me ya maso we avie no ma we ban go ya gbonuje ni me ni vi ya maso we avie importer exporter general mashada say him go ask question. Yes, so they lock down me Nigeria na gba go ask every 2 months ya jo wa igba 6 ejo wa me wupo igba 6 you can't try it you who are what ogun then go ejo wa se go yegu o we like Nigeria say ego yegu. Any marriage, a forged marriage, fake marriage, fake marriage that you did is what you're talking about, or excuse you? Like seriously? Excuse you? A marriage is a fake. Until you go and do a paternity test on your children. Everybody's on the qua. So that's why you're going to say prayers for you. Brothers, when they'll give a rice, go to that for Sassy fee. He go say, bring another one. When they'll give a go to that for Sassy fee. He go anytime they carry food. Gladys, before she reaches us, now big rubber Gladys, they carry go us meet her. So that they go miss out to get that. The people don't go remember. He go just turn the soup and the yam mix with rice. Out on the way of a bag. I already know. Or go up your gon berak bijou to bewa. It's a go berak bijou. We so we me a paquet. It's so we me a paquet. A paquet a mukwa. It's so we see me. Where can we bury? Where can don't deal with him? We can't deal with him. Oh, where we facing me because where me also want to say that. Do you know why I don't really? Sometimes I don't reply your messages. Do you know why? I've weighed you. I have seen it. Uma say. Please just follow me. Don't send any requests. You understand? When you're not rich, I have read you. I see it the way make like this. Oh, Gladys, mama, when me are in Lotona, why should I reply her? That is why I left your words in your mouth. That is why I don't reply you. That is why. It didn't matter where. You the corner. If you have something, well, nobody here to have you. You are washing. If yeah, I said go. And Bobby he walk back. Oh, where you like a bear. You know, he said, when I got to one more, not one more big boy. No, yeah, I got to bog him. Kawulele. Be one. You get why? You were the rush one cookie person. You're in your body. Oh, where we be? We're not digging on this side. Ukpapa. Hey, are you not done? We're next. More than those sons. Allow the saga swing. Was simple. I wouldn't make the power saga. He way all here was swing saga continue. Continuation. Yes, so. Me denu we when ya gele gbon wa e denu Gladys me wa denu we e ma tu we e me wa e pending he morning afternoon evening midnight o we fio o ya gbo e wa wie yore via we ayore de o de kuma gbe prokonoma o she egwo nesi e vie satite ge o wa gbon yo gwe o wa hewe the message is for you ya wa la de na Gladys. You have the best of your visual no who are in Nigeria. Never bother like be a family where they don't yaga. Yeah, one of the family we are pieces. Peace, one of your pieces. Me as a tesso. Where you? We have a young he didn't know. What does that mean? He didn't know. So, my people. So, let's go to another version of this case, because I saw the ongoing video, the viral video going on, that my voice was there. Then it could have been better that if you want to talk about anything, if you want to make reference to anything, who was when beginning. Let me bring the subject out. Let me bring it out. Where are you? 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 The subject. Yeah. Yo. He may screenshot here. He said there ya hono ya delete. He said there you go for confirmation, and I was saying ne. Debana why my soy no we me water we am money no money agbewa. Be prepared to defend your way. I mean only larger mama. Be prepared when you defend it. After I paste a ration that whosoever that has only baby pitch should surface it or showcase it for 1 million naira. All of a sudden somebody inboxed me and said, I will not show this picture. Let me just show you guys part of the message. He said, Melissa and her husband, I will send you our 4 children picture. Please, I need the 1 million in euro. We live in Holland. Hide my name, please. Noted. Because she didn't say all these things. So she only played the voice where okay, it's okay. She only played the voice because I know it was a setup. You understand? Me mazu or there, everybody me. Everyone bani me. Ogba omona suku bie omona bie wo tego do. When I say me, wa bi wo Jesus say me. Mama, good evening, ma. Melissa and her husband, I will send you our 4 children picture. Please, I need the money. The 1 million in euro. We live in Netherlands, in Holland. Hide my name, please. No, okay, no problem. I said, okay, no problem. He now make like this to me. He said, when am I getting the 1 million? I said, you haven't sent the children pitch to me as, and also I have to confirm it first. That is true. He said, if you post it on your wall, people that know how will tell you yes. Her husband is a superior at work. I said, no, I will not post it. First, I have to inform the person. It was a prank. So I said that I have gotten it when is her husband, where is her husband working? First of all, I will send it to herself to see if she will say it's her pitch. That means I will send it to Melissa inbox first. That's what I told him here. If it's a pitch, she will not inbox me and say, Mama, where do you get my pitch from? Because the first time she called me, I've never called her. When she called me to join her to fight Monica, I said, my sister, if you guys want me to join you to fight Monica, there must be enough evidence that everything she's been accused of is true. I can't fight in the dark. He said it bomani ni ma mi proof. He ya gboma okay wa wo ni mi wa ama mi proof ro pon wa fe lati. You know what? No. Ebani by then amaso menso e oso asunu ye ni agbeya ne osunu ye ni UK women wa mudiakan ya mudiakan we ne ya we ya facing ya we me we go face. We are here facing but we are larger. If you want to face me as a gallant woman that I am, as a complete woman that I am, as a revealed woman that I am, and as you, the Ida Bosky, the lion himself, the liquid metal, come at real, don't face me. we ya name mege. Oh bizon. Moto bi mo gban ni me. Ye gbe we sak joge me. I will not be okay bokan. When you why lala. Why should I talk to you? No. Me no be don itam when I we any me to be more be musaginre. I'm telling you, he not be mujoto. Each man we have as my mother was a gallant woman, a woman who has how many buildings before she died. Oh my red there, my feel where you are, and I'm a baby na. I went you when you can even be another reno. Obviously, senior, you want child everywhere. What bell, me where to go? I beg they come. So, and I said, first of all, I will send it to herself to see if she will say it's her pitch. Noted. Those are our conversation. He said, the husband is a Dutch lawyer. Don't reveal my identity. Noted. I said, why will I do that? You mean her husband is a lawyer? Yes, a lawyer here in Holland. He said, thank you, ma. Give him like this. I said, okay, can you send me a children pitch as promised? As you said. At least I will know. So that I can show it to other people to... You ask me if I post the picture. People living in the Netherlands can testify that she is the one who... And I said, okay. I said, because someone has already said she know her children, but she did not have their pitch. But if she sees the pitch, she can know them. Those are fake accounts. Why should I reply to them? That she know them. I said, so the guy that replied me, I don't have it. Maybe I will check WhatsApp. You think I'm a dundee like you? Well, we're smart girl working. We're not smart. You are not smart. So what the better man? Any way you know coming. Oh well. And then okay, now you're born every now. Then he now sent me these 4. I cannot show you this picture. He now sent me these 4 pictures. 2 boys, 2 girls. He said their names are Daisy, Dorothy, Duke, and Dominion. Oh my gosh. Ide. Oh, but the picture is here. Right, let me do this more so you cannot see it very well. As you can see, there are pictures under the messages, but I can't show it. He said, when will I get the 1 million? I said, I tried calling you, but no response, because I wanted to get that voice of that person that is writing me. Am I stupid? I said, I was calling him on Messenger. He refused to pick. I was calling him on video call. He refused to pick. And I said, I tried calling you, but no response. He said, well, I said, well, so far so good. I have informed the person in UK, and he said that the money is not the problem. What he needs from you now to reply and confirm that she is the one. Where you confirm 1, we need her husband name, her family name. 2, we need her real name. 3, we need her address in Holland or in Nigeria. You know, social media stuff. I don't want to involve in any problem or trouble, so I also need to be sure about it. I will give you from now until Sunday. As you may know, I'm always coming out every Sunday. But this evening, I have it with me so that you will be sure of your money. Noted. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Your ID is safe with me. Although I know that this is not your real ID. Thanks. I told him noted. Those are the conversation between me and that person. It's also a fake account. I'm coming. So I now send him 1 picture, but I will not show you. And I say, is it this picture? I said, but people are saying, is this picture, this person? He now said, no, mama. This one is not the one. He said, her husband name is da-da-da asatata. I'm not going to talk and finish. Her real name is da-da-da ta-ta-ta. I will not say it. Then he now shoot another pictures to me again. Happy Father's Day. That the supposed Melissa and her husband snap. I said, this is not enough. So immediately she sent me the picture. Let me show you. It was Happy Father's Day. Because she just said the video, the audio that I sent. You think I'm stupid? When I said that video, that audio, you think I don't know that I was sending somebody, I was sending their gang, their setup, the messaging? Do you think I'm stupid? So, and as I said, our husband's house is number 151, Express Road. He said, our Holland address is Rat 380 Deventer. I did not even reply him. I went with her to Nigeria when her papa died. 95 years. When her father did 95 years birthday. 2 years ago. Did Afro go Nigeria go to your papa birthday? Okay, let's assume. You not say so. Then he later quote, he said she bought me tickets. So what's it again now? But a picture of the view Ladia. And what's it give me? I will snapshot it and I will paste it in internet. And everything is on Google. He said there you go for reference purpose. You think I'm stupid? You just play the voice, you did read all these things to people to listen? No. She bought my ticket. She bought ticket for me. Please hide my name. She knows this account, please. I am still expecting the money. There's a big juju in their house. Very easy to locate. Be careful. Melissa is a tall woman. He's a tough woman. Don't mention my name at all. And I said, doing like this. I said, I need to talk with you to confirm your story. Don't worry. I promise to keep your ID. That will happen. He said, this is a real story. I said, okay. He said, I cannot pick your call because I am scared. Oh, I said, that means you are not telling me the true story. I said, you know, said, it is the truth. Call people in Holland and ask them. They know her husband very well. I said, why should I confirm such story? I said, no. Why should I confirm such cheap blackmail? Why should I start calling people? I said, okay. He said, please, ma, I beg you, hide my identity. I said, again. Then, I now, since he was not picky, I decided not to write again. I said, let me send him my voice. So that it shouldn't be like I'm hiding. Hello, this idea. Please, I just contacted the people in charge now. They said they are not convinced enough. They want you to bring a video of Melissa where she was talking. And it should be video. So if not video, they are not convinced enough. They said this is not enough for them to pay that money. And we are not going to paste it for now. We will still wait for you. At least the way you are smuggled all this address and everything, we are okay with it, but at least anybody can bring any face and they say, this is Melissa. At the end of the day, after paying this money, this is not Melissa, what will we do? So, we'll ask you now, like, to bring any video of Melissa, even if it's from his husband's WhatsApp phone, and send it to us. Then we will not confirm the voice. Then before we now know that those things you sent to us is real. Thank you. And secondly, you said you are familiar with Melissa. We want you to hide, since she's your friend, you can hide and video her with her children. At the same time, you can hide and you can keep your video on silent, and you will be videoing somebody she will not know. So if you can bring that to us as a proof, we will pay you that 1 million instantly. That is the proof we want. I just want to make it clear to you. You said she's your friend, she's close to you, you know her very well. Like you said the address now. You go to that same address, video Melissa with her kids for us, or together with her husband. Same time she will be talking. And when you are there, you know when you are videoing her, she will not know. So you must be smart about it. So that's it. And send us the video. Then we'll pay you the money instantly. Thank you. she know you very well. Involve other people that will assist you to get the real fact. This is between life and death. This is money issue. We don't need to play with it. I'm not posting anything. You can follow me. I will not do it. So, please, that's all. So, in this voice record now, where did you see that we now pay somebody to go and kill her and behead his children and behead his husband? See, I'm coming. May why day? Then, after I sent it that voice note, Ina said, I will screw to her house. I will stroll to her house this evening and pretend as if I want to give her something. Then I will hold my phone to record her. I said, no problem, let it be on video. He said, okay, please hope I am safe. I said, sure you are. He said, okay, and I'm doing like this. Who is calling? Please, don't call him now, please. You understand? He said, hello. And I said, okay. Then Ina said, her husband said she's sleeping. I will be there in the morning before she got to work. I am taking this risk because she called your sister Adesuwa a real name too, and my big mommy. I beg, don't disappoint me with this money. And I said, I didn't even reply him because I was at work. Yes, I'm online. My brother, I'm online. No, can't find you. Yeah. Oh, my sweetheart, you can't find me. Oh, Shiza. Please, if you are watching, please, Sister Adesuwa, please share to Brother Unity for me. Bring him online. How can I find you? Oh, Sister Adesuwa, please, can you invite Brother Unity for me, please, love? Please, he can't find me. Please, invite him. Bring him online, please. Share me to him, please, Sister Adesuwa, my love, my queen, please. Oh, Shaisa, please share me to him. He said he cannot find me. Oh, my love. So after, I beg, don't disappoint me with this money. And I said, okay. I did not even reply him because I'm working. When I now came back from work, and I saw that he now sent me a voice note. I want people to listen to this voice. So, and he now said, this is Melissa's voice. Okay, now. Oh, yeah, Rigade.
I was even thinking of coming to see you. How are you?
Oh
my God, you came this early. Thank you so much. Thank you. So I was even thinking of calling your husband and just to check with you guys. How are you? Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
See, Mumu. I must see, brother. Brother, where Mumu?
Thank you.
I will replay, don't worry.
I was even thinking of coming to see you.
Oh,
how are you?
Oh, should I put it on?
Oh my God, you came this early. Thank you so much. Thank you. So I was even thinking of calling your husband and just to check. How are you? Thank you so much. It's so early.
See, brother.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay, you that listener, you listener,
How you guys been coping?
is this one Melissa voice?
Talk now. Why are you shaking your head and
This-
looking at your phone?
Oh, you see, Mumu? Okay. Oh, let me see if I can put it on a very loud speaker.
I was even thinking of
No, don't tick again. Your ticking is okay. Don't tick my tick. So immediately he sent me this voice. Scheiße. Immediately he sent me this voice. Bro, Unity, I will invite you myself. I'm coming. Let me just through this message. Then Ina said, this is me and her this morning when she was going to work, but I could not record her face because she is very observant. Noted. This same person who said she couldn't record Melissa's face, this is in darkness.
how are you? Oh my God, you came to
Do you see? Somebody you said is recording in what's it called? In the morning. Blackout.
You guys.
Okay.
How are you? Oh, thank you so much.
No, voila. That one has gone. He said, this is me and her this morning when she was going to work. But I could not record her face because she is very observant. I put my phone inside because she was looking at time. So somehow. I said, okay. I will paste everything on social media so everybody can go and read it. Yeah, the smell. And this thing, this is, do you know the meaning of Ogberewenwa? Do you know the meaning of beat mama beat pikin? Do you know the Bobanemi dance? Iye kalamwekbo, idenue, akakuwa why set it so do mama wukpa, ukama, icha. Are you a learner? Ide, Mary, Mawu what in social media, Mawu and Martin Mawu, I hear social media. He got told where Rivier, and Martin Mawu Lolo. Kabo, and Martin Mawu, I social media, and Martin Mawu, that the Yanika room. I told what the problem. Iman Yaga Wanania, we go destroy. Iman Yaga, we go Yaga. My sweetheart, I'm coming. I will bring you in now. Do you understand me? Then I called. You know what? Okay. Can I get anything from the money? I didn't reply him. He said, I called one of our friends and gave me a biological father's and mother's address. The one I sent to you yesterday is our grandmother and grandfather address. Back of Nenemi Barak. Back of Nenemi Barak. I didn't mention any barak, but it's back of Nenemi Barak. He said, I said, okay. He said, please, when am I getting part payments, ma? And so street, the road beside that and that barak, opposite Nenemi. I didn't reply him. We cannot remember the number, but it's we cannot remember the number, but it has a black gate, newly painted. And I said, okay. Newly painted in that street. Oh, scheiße. When am I getting the money? Then this is my response. That was on Thursday by 5:12 p.m. I was on break. So I just replied, said, the information you provided is not enough. I am sorry. We have asked people in Netherlands. Then I said, not enough. You used to take such, you used, oh, this is their grammar. You talk, take such risk. I am not happy. That is Melissa. Ask anyone in Devonshire. I said, okay, we are still investigating. Thanks. Did you see me posting anything about your information you gave me? He said, okay, but you said my information is not enough. Why? I said, we are talking about 1 million. The voice, even at that, we also have to take it step by step, one thing at a time. Because you don't rush now, go play voice where I said, you not play all this, you know. Shay said that person said that to you. Shay said all this one to you too. Because I know no gang. It can even be you. With fake accounts, you'll be writing me. You think I'm stupid? You think I'm a dummy? Hello? Excuse you? The inner Bosky. The liquid metal. Come out and face me. Come and face me. I will not answer you. May I answer spirits? May I answer okay? May I answer when you yes there? Yes, so may I answer where? Why will I answer you? Why should I answer you? You see me so important. You see me like a threat to you. That is why you were so much in a hurry to come and talk about me. If you have a message of you, where my own Melusaya we at you where? When I hear we in a bosque, the liquid metal, the lion himself, oh, well, I just went to face him, man. I got you, aga miugage aga miugage ama o kan miugage le gbima ama o nema o wa ya da o yoto nene ho wa ya de ho nene we wa ya de nene Brit wa ya de we are who we go look pop which one of you send ah so boy ma ya dane bomere de na bi me abiebo iga ugwebo have bi meji just ji be ma bi na mi ya o bet ma bi me ji do we me na oh we me gage yo oh we me okay ya only we you want ya do ebo ijo why you want do ebo for ne come and face me e ga ni we be hian gane we no tabo ma gane ne mi it demo my message enough for you can't distract me go on better visual spirit in my boss there ne liquid but ebo walk back every other way walk the curiosity of here you no do guy we ya dey pet to go we na we na pants we no we are liquid better we not the kede dey me this is my real face Ivie Princess Ivie we why dey Princess Ivie I want Princess what do you know oh what Bobby I want you do what I know oh you gbe mu me oh you gbe bo me bo oh you gbe bo me Ivie ri yo ni me bere oh you gbe bo me bo oh you gbe bo me ijeme amioma le mo magio ege ah Ivie ri yo o wa ga so o wa ga mo ara amioma le mo magio ege Ivie ri yo ni me ye pe ko o ye gbe bo me o easy when na tieri yo enini that we had the war vie I didn't make another one in your family as a slave we will pardon you ma fiere no nini ma bere o we manara me yo wo we papa no where you Ija thank you for making us worldwide mama I tell me say worldwide everywhere nice area imagogo wa ma o adefianwa for sharing it for sharing the video name. That name is a threat to you guys. That name Rio, it rings a bell. Bogo. I want to do your one va. I got the other one va. I bell lolo. You guys say uwe. You guys say mio. You guys say mio. And we have funny. Guy, I bet we have funny. Oh what don't say you want to do? Baga. Ijo. Scheiße. Iwo is a don. E we viva. Umia e we viva. E we viva ni. Boro. O ma be money carry no yawo. Gae. E we me kokon gae. Gae. Ogugwadi. Iwe me say mi. Iwo me you tebu. Oh we ga to wife to be popo ni me no jewe. Lolo ogun han gbera gbejo. We ne family enene. Ejeme iwa bioji. We me wa oji na ne no wa take na ne. Is it not better than bio me? Era me. Ijo me. Etweva me. Ija wokpa. Igwo wugweni. Of you bokyan we me as finish with two wedding. We have a review with Bekana. Me don't say family me give way. Me as a one man squad. You must see finish one way. Oh, I have a PN human. Yave. Oh, and ya aje but yave. Fire we alare you. We alare the nyata ni alare. Gweli unre. Tim many of you we must set it don't way. Me mana don't go any life in line with berry. It's why we are gonna what the ticket na in Nigeria has done do. Ikpa see mokapa ya nema. Ikpa ya hewe do ya hewe report. Come down renia. Get finish me mata mogwe. O me mokpa ngare Torino. Obvious ya no story me obvious anywhere. Anywhere. The pots. Ya no anywhere the pot. I know you sunny. Ya no you got him the Arabo markets. The Torino. Yes when but all set you know ya taking over here where if you give here for the pots. Hey we got aluma. Where family man. Be prepared. What I think you are working loyalty. Where we be. Oh, we want to go Zioni. Oh, we have here la diam. Oh, we have lay here forever. Man, so well. We are only man, so we can la dianeo. In the bosky. The liquid matter. The lion himself. The enemy. The Gima, my life. Hey, Jemena, who does that? Yadie. Read me what gallant said now. We're not telling me. Hija, my banya. When my son yeni me no ha, wani weno muhime. Weno muhime ni vie. Hija, when my son ni me man now. As someone we more, as a gallant mama like me. Hell, we even go to the men and a bunk back. But we got the many vie don't answer when name Eliza, Baby Meluza, can we keep in Liberian with Zenny? We got the many vie don't answer to your call. Then you will not come out as a physical human being, not at a dead human being with woman. And when you I want you here, and when I'm a bug, oh, no, I can't do that. I will not stop it. I will not stop at that. A great family region. You get Bob in there because you be family with you. Ya Jack Barrier, everybody are even Larry. Ya Jack Bobale. Kumatabawe, Egberi Yono, Nigalare, Sanera. Megatia Bobariave, Egberi Yono, Nigalare, Sanera. Where can I make me? Where he rule Blackberry Joe. Where can I make me? Where he rule Blackberry Joe. Egbe no sa jame ni me ya yo sa wese egbe ni very jo jame gana ni me ya yo sa wese erijo enuje wewu go na ti bio mo ni meje go na ti produce o mo ni meje kana tuma je me ne leve biebi go for bitanya mo why mi bia le gunu leve biebi family wana mi ani wani gulo ye zelibia. Then go back to the reason why we are here. We have not finished. So, and I said, we are talking about 1 million. The voice, even at that, we also have to take it step by step, one thing at a time. Ina replied me, say, the voice? Are you saying that is not Melissa's voice? Ijo. Me awe the voice in Nugwa. Oh, why can't tell me made that voice in Melissa? Ni evia yina. Oh, we are wawu. We are was no way. We are really make Bunawelaja. I said, well, if investigation is still going on, no, it's not that same. That is always talking. No, it's not that same. That is always talking. Someone I took the risk and went to her house to record in the morning earlier. I never replied him again. That was where the conversation ended. Because I already told him. Because I know that he was a prank. I know that in my previous video, I said that your friends, people you call your friends, they are the one that is going to betray you. Let it really be that somebody place money to look for you. Why will I be looking for you? Why me here will be looking for you? When you know what working at the way in Muji, and then a bog bugania, I don't know well at the web of Buene. There is a body here to go away. Oh, you go low. And one bed with one may bury Castica when. And if they well alone, you well, muscle, mama, wait for myself, or no way social, or no way government, or the government is sustained. Oh, yeah, woo. Everybody can hear Bewa. Oh, we must woo. Oh, we must woo. Are you okay? Are you okay? Where do I go? Cannot woman like me go? Me. Oh, no. Where would ne? Where is you going? Oh, who wanted that forum passengers in it? Where go? Oh, where go Jack away? A pastor look at where I be to manjere. Where would one any before? Never book. E me gadeti ori me mawe. Nu we make na ri mele. Eta gwali me. They say you are not in Bremen. They say you are not this. Who is looking for me? Who? Is the government, is the authority looking for me? Like, seriously? Is the authority looking for me? Like, seriously? Excuse you? Wow. Oh, I'm scared. The Namboski is looking for me. The Odubudubu, the Nyanga, the liar, the dirty pig, the, oh my God, the Ayoyo, the smelly. He's looking for who? A gaudy human being like me. A gallant lady like me. He may baffle. He may defy like me. Are you mad? Are you okay? Like, seriously? Are you okay? Obisa God better be joué. Lolo, are you okay? Lolo, ki a shawa ni. Wono gbala moge. Are you okay? Ara mo bore no do vendu magele gbala moge. Can you swear? Can you swear when I sort water gba enu e? Ija. Make a vie sort water go we dia because all for on the bon. Ora for bon de no for. I don't know mami me ya ko onu pa. Onu pa.